Enabling two-factor authentication on Paytm adds an extra layer of security to your account. Follow these steps to set it up easily. Step 1. Open the Paytm app. Launch the Paytm app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu option, usually located at the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to proceed. Step 3. Find Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Security or Privacy section. This is where you can manage your security features, including two-factor authentication. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Within the security settings, locate the option for two-factor authentication or 2FA. Toggle the switch to enable it and follow any prompts to set it up, such as verifying your phone number or email. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Paytm account with two-factor authentication. Always remember to keep your recovery options updated to avoid being locked out of your account.